on fire.
Nana, you're one of the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making hamburger gravy. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of beef broth, 1/4 cup of half and half, 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 of a medium onion diced, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of browning, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes. That's optional. That's for garnish at the end. In a saucepan over medium heat, I'm going to add in my tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onion. We're going to let that onion saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your ground beef. Now we're going to break down our ground beef. You want to make sure it's mixed well with your onion. Now we're going to add in our salt and also our ground black pepper. We're going to go ahead and mix it in until it's well combined. And we're going to continue to cook our ground beef until it's brown all the way through. Once your ground beef is done cooking all the way through, we're going to drain it of all excess grease. Now I'm going to add in my 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to go ahead and let that melt. Once your butter has melted, we're going to sprinkle in our all-purpose flour. We're going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. You want to let that cook for about a minute. Next, we're going to add in our beef broth. You want to add in your half and half. Also going to add in our browning. Our Worcestershire sauce. Onion powder. And our garlic powder. Now you want to mix everything until it's well combined. And we're going to bring it up to a light boil. Once it comes up to a boil, you want to lower your heat, and we're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes, and you want to stir occasionally. After 5 minutes, you can go ahead and turn off your heat, and your gravy is now done. Okay guys, so here we have it, our hamburger gravy. And guys, I put it over white rice, but you can put it over mashed potatoes. This is a very budget-friendly recipe, and it tastes amazing. So now you can add a little bit of dried parsley flakes just for a little bit of color. If you would like, it's optional. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Y'all hungry yet? Y'all hungry yet? Come back real soon. I got more to serve. Y'all hungry yet?
See you next time. Bye.